What if I told you that you can train your own AI model right on your laptop without spending a single rupee, without using cloud GPUs and without internet even? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own local AI model using Llama step by step. You will learn how to customize your model's tone, personality and responses even. Whether you want it to talk like a teacher or a developer or your best buddy. By the end, you won't be just using an AI, you will be building your own version of it. So why late? Let's get started. So here, this is the Llama prompt window here, and you can see here I am having these particular models. These are not downloaded, but you can download them and use them, and even few are like cloud options available. And the only model I have downloaded is 5.3 mini here, and let's try seeing the same through the terminal here. So here I tried running this particular Llama command, and you can see all the available commands it has, like serve, create, show, run, stop. And using these commands, now we are going to create our own Llama model and train it even. By now you are very much familiar. We are going to use the create command here and try having our own Llama model. And now the next thing is, how do we create our own version of Llama model? What do we require? So here I have shown you, right, we are already having 5.3 mini on our local machine, and using which we'll be creating our own model. So here you can see Llama list, and you can find this 5.3 mini and the size is 2.2 GB, and I have modified 7 days ago. And now let's try creating a model file here. So from 5.3 mini, and now we are going to provide the parameter as well, and the parameter is like temperature, and here we have specified temperature like 0.8. What exactly it does is, like, it will decide how creative or how risky your AI will be. Okay, so when you provide it to be complete 0.0, right, the model behaves just like a robot, always gives the same answer every time. And I mean, there will be no creativity, and you can easily predict what the answer will be. So if you just like ask what's your name, then it will just provide you like my name is so and so, like 5.3 mini, something like that. And if you specify the temperature to be 1.0, right, the model becomes creative and a bit unpredictable. So it tries new words, sentences, even new spellings sometimes. So this particular thing will be great for story writing, like brainstorming the things, ideas. Okay, so for our video I am going to make it 0.8, and I suggest you to just try from 0 to 1 and let me know in the comment section below how was your experience fine tuning these things. Okay, and the next step is, now we need to specify the system here, and so I'm going to specify in a multi-line. And so now we are trying to specify a name for our model. So I am specifying the name like Amplifyabhi, and this will be the name of our model. So you are a, and again you can just try specifying grammatically, English speaking AI mentor who will explain things around tech, coding and AI in a very clear way. Okay, or else I'll be specifying like in a very funny way. Okay, this will be somewhat interesting. Always use simple examples and try making me laugh even. Okay, so this is what I just want to train my model, and again it's completely your wish. You can just I made a spelling mistake here. And again, make sure there are no typos here. So just try to again read the description what you have provided. Okay, and again you can just make it a single line as well. I just wanted to make it enough. If you observe, we are trying to make use of the 5.3 mini itself and trying like a wrapper over it, but again this will create a new model interface for you. So here I am trying to save this particular model like Amplifyabhi, and again you can just specify any name here, model. And now it's time to go through the terminal and Ollama create and specify our model name. And also make sure you specify the file name here, and we need to run this particular command from where our file exists. So I'll be quickly moving through the desktop here, and now we are trying to create this particular model, and you can see we got like success. And let's try finding the list of models now, and here you can see we have got our own model which was just created 9 seconds ago, like modified 9 seconds ago, and the size is again 2.2. I said right, it's like a wrapper over our existing model, and also it provides our own customizations. That is what I just want to specify here. And now let's try running our own, and also let's try seeing in the llama here. So we do have, yes, here you can see we do have our own model now, and through the terminal let's try to provide, or again it's completely your wish, it will be the same output if you use from a terminal or from the llama prompt window here. And again feel free to use the llama prompt and just let me know if you find any difference. So run Amplifyabhi. Okay, now we are trying to run this particular model, and thereafter we will be using the model and try giving our prompts and fetching the output from it. So I'll be asking who are you, and again this is a basic straightforward question. So well, hello there, I am Amplifyabhi, your personal gesture or JavaScript. Okay, gave a lot of description about the model. Just imagine me as that person in tech who always has a chuckle ready to share while making sense of things, but remember I'm still learning myself. Okay, so how will you explain me? Explain me the things. I mean, what's your style of explaining? See, here you can see right the way it is responding to us. Like here you can see, but always has an unexpected joke ready after the punchline. So if you see, we have specified our model description. It is aligned to the description what we gave it, and in this way just try to fine tune your model. And again, complete fine tuning is not possible in the llama models here. Then you need to go for PyTorch and try creating models over there, but here it will be possible going forward. But for now, for beginners, I am saying try training the models according to your requirement. So now you are not using 5.3 mini directly, you are adding your own wrapper and getting the things in your favor. So try utilizing this particular video, practice it well, and just let me know in the comment section below if you are facing any issues. And I think you found this video interesting, and if you are still having any queries creating your own model or training your model, just let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.